Welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change from RGB to CMYK in Canva. It's very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So let's say this is the video and I want to change to, okay, let's go to the right top corner. You can see a share option. Let's tap in there and hit that download button, and in this download button you have to go to the file type and make sure you choose the PDF print version. And here is the option of color profile. So right now it's an RGB, best for digital use. So since we're going to change into CMYK, yeah, you can simply tap in here. I do not have the pro version, so I'm hoping you have a pro version. So let's you can simply tap into the CMYK, and that will lead you to from changing from RGB to CMYK. The step is the same thing. All you have to do is hit the download and go to color profile and just tap in the CMYK and download your file. So this is how you change from RGB to CMYK. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.